and I want to do this unboxing with you so we can look and see what all comes with this. First of all, it is a big box, but it's not terribly heavy. It is possible to pick up. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do that by myself. I ordered the Tower Garden Flex. So this can be used for indoor growing or outdoor growing. I'm going to start with outdoor growing. All right, looks like it's all packaged up in one barrel here, which is nice. So let's lift that out. The hose, my receipt. Thank you for your patience during this unprecedented time. It did take a little extra time for it to come in. All right. So the hose feels very sturdy and thick. It is a very nice, thick plastic. So there's 4 of those. This little bag. pH test kit. So it looks like for my measurements. A little cup measure in there. That's not even that flimsy. That feels pretty good. We'll see what that is. I think that might be the very top of our tower. Don't know what this is yet. Probably goes for our pump. All right. So we have mineral blend, A and B here. So we have that, and we had this pH test kit. So that's nice. It comes automatically with the things that we'll need to start growing. Starter seeds. Oh, and a growing guide. I need that. How to plant the seeds, how to set things up. And this is what I'm hoping for before too long. We'll see. I'm sure this is going to be a learning curve for me. And I've never been really great at starting things from seeds, so we'll see how that goes. Assembly guide. Doesn't look like that's going to be too difficult. Great. Okay, here's the pump. So the pump goes down in here, pumps water up to the top, and trickles down over the roots of the plants. That's really sweet. Little, feels very heavy duty. Nice thick cord on it. Yeah, looks like this right here will assemble into that. Okay, cool. All right, I think this will go on the very top of our garden, probably. Some more pH, acid, and base. So we've got some little jugs here too. That's nice. Extra supplies. All right, this is the timer. So we'll plug this into the wall and we'll plug our garden pump into this. Okay. Feels nice and sturdy. Put that down there with our pump. This little thing came out, I didn't notice. Got some little suction cups in it. I think those are for the pump to keep it suctioned into the bottom here. All right, and then this is my seed starting kit. See what's in there. We already had the seeds. This is called rock wool. Never worked with that or heard of it before. Doesn't feel like rock at all. So in theory, we plant our seeds in here. The roots will grow out the bottom. And then when the time comes, these must be the little plastic cups. They feel good and sturdy. They'll click into the garden. And then these break apart into squares and will fit into those. All right, and this is vermiculite, which keeps the plants, the seeds in there moist on top. Kind of spongy. Okay, well, I have to say, it seems like everything I need to get going is in this box. It feels very sturdy. This is like a really thick plastic. And this as well, it feels very nice. So, I can't wait to get it assembled.